Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is one of my favorite fragrances and scents that I've been dealing with at the moment. This is a Burberry Brit for Him. And one of the things that I like the most about this scent is that it's different. Most of the scents will go into the same notes, vanilla or mint or licorice or too sweet. What I like about this is like a perfect flavor or a perfect smell, sorry, that is going to be different at the same time because it's woody, but at the same time, it has this note of floral. Yes, you're not going to find too many floral fragrances in the men's eteries, but this just works great. It is different. At the same time, it feels like a fragrance that you can wear for any occasion. The concentration is EDT, Eau de Toilette, but an intense version, which is going to have a great performance. It has given me already good compliments from all people, and they would tell me that I smell good. They have a good projection. This will travel places. But if you're looking for a fragrance that's gonna be different, you're gonna smell original. This Burberry Brit is a good one. This was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.